Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video is this super cute, what would I say, silk press blowout type of wig install. And we are sponsored by ILIKEHAIR. And I really do. I like this hair a lot, okay? You feel me? If you want the full install tutorial and the details for this unit, stick around. See you on a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
Okay, so it is Valentine's Day. Hence, you know, my cute Valentine's Day PJs, pink bonnet, all that. And we are doing a Valentine's Day install with ILIKEHAIR. So they sent me some hair over and I'm feeling what I feel like this look is gonna look like. Like, I hope I look like how I look in my head after I install this wig. Cause this, again, is Valentine's Day. So when I saw the wig that they wanted to send me, I was like, okay, this is giving very romantic, kind of like old Hollywood. So I'm really praying that it turned out that cute. They sent me some goodies, so it should definitely help me with the install. It's an edge brush, some clips, and it looks like a wig band. Perfect. And they also sent me some wig caps. Okay, so let's get into the hair. Oh, this is so cute. So let me just shake it out a little bit so y'all can get the full picture. So this is the hair. It's a short bob, curly, blunt cut, adorable. First of all, I'm looking at this lace and it's giving. So they already gave me a pre-parted side part. Then the hairline is really, really nicely pre-plucked. And then look at that lace. The lace is already giving and I haven't even tinted it yet. Oh, I'm excited. Of course, we have our essentials in the wig itself. So we have our adjustable wig band, we have our combs, and then we also have our piano key adjustments right here. So I think this is gonna be good. Let me just put this together and then we'll get started. I don't know what y'all gonna do, but the first thing I'm gonna do is tint my lace. Like, I will never not tint my lace. Oh my goodness. Ain't nothing worse than your lace being too light for you. Maybe like it being too dark, but nothing worse than your lace not matching your skin tone. Terrible. So we're gonna do that real quick. I'm just gonna use a cream foundation by Ruby Kisses and a makeup brush. I'm really running low on this. I keep saying I need to get some more and I keep not getting more. I honestly think that this is one of the laces that, like, even if you didn't tint it, it wouldn't look that crazy because it's really transparent, I will say. Like, when I was looking at it on my hand, I'm like, okay, this maybe could pass, maybe. But I don't do maybe. I don't take chances. Especially not on Valentine's Day. Are you crazy? I'm trying to hurry up and do this before my man get home. Because he had work today. I didn't. I took today off. But he had work today. And so he's coming home and I'm trying to see if I can install this before he get back. Let's see if we can do it. So I already got the PJs on. I already got the lingerie on under the PJs. That's not for y'all. So I'm trying to make sure I get the wig on before he gets back. You know, trying to give it the full package. You feel me? Yeah, that's much better. You see that? You see how that just blends into my skin? I'm probably not gonna keep this wig on for too long, so I'm not going to install my wig cap. I'm just gonna put the wig on right on top. Okay. Ooh, first of all, the hairline is giving. And it's also giving that we might need to recurl this, because whoa. I was trying to find the side part, child. Ooh, hold on. I was trying to find that side part, and I think we found it. I'm definitely giving housewife. Sexy, I'm not sure yet. I think we're gonna have to add the sexy in. It's okay. I can do that. I can do this. Okay, so I want to do kind of a glueless install today because I don't plan on keeping this unit on for like longer than a day or two. So I want to do like a lighter hold. I don't want to use full-blown glue. So we're going to be trying out Eben's Wonder Lace Bond Holding Gel Extreme Firm Hold. So this is not like a spray adhesive or like standard lace glue. This is a gel, so I'm very excited about that. Seems easy enough. We're just going to try it. We already cut the earpieces, so right there and right there. I'm just going to make sure the hair is pinned back. I'm going to kind of map out the hairline a little bit with some cream foundation so I can remember where to put the glue. I'm going to Put some there and here. So I'm gonna roll this back now that I've mapped it out, and this will eventually just blend into my skin anyway, so we're good. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a nice light layer, and then I'll spread it out with the end of a comb like how I usually do with like regular glue. I'm just gonna try to like draw a line first. Ooh, this bottle is so hard to squeeze. I'm just a girl. I like that this is a clear gel because it seems like so much less cleanup and hassle. And it also seems like it's gonna be nicer on the edges because again, it is a gel. And they say you're supposed to just let this get like sticky and tacky and then you can put the wig on it and all should be well. So I'm gonna do another layer so I can get a really good secure hold. It's so clear, so it's kind of hard to see where I put it. Forehead and then the other side. This looks so weird. So I'm going to let this get tacky and then we will put the wig on and see what happens. I'm just gonna put that down right on top. Hello, girl. Get out of there. What are you doing? I'm just gonna put the whole lace on, so let's do this side as well. And same thing for this side. Same process as usual. I'm just gonna start brushing the hairs back, pushing the lace into the adhesive. Try to maintain my cute little side part right here. Oh, interesting, it's actually holding. I hope it doesn't like turn white or anything. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, and then same thing on this side. Okay, and this side. Now I'm just gonna bring out a hand fan and just go over it. Comb and kind of just do that same process with the comb. We are good to go. Seems like it's holding down. So now I'm gonna bring out my ILIKEHAIR wig band that they so kindly provided me and secure my lace. While we're waiting for our lace to do its thing, I feel like a light recurling would do us some good. So let's just do that. Because I see what they're going for here. It's just that we need to add some finishing touches. Okay, so now like when it's combed out, we have like a little bit more definition. I think that looks way better. And right now I'm curling away from my face. Let me add a little bit of holding spritz. Oh, that's so cute. I like to just comb back and then push forward. Can even separate the curls like that. Did I go this way? I think I went this way. More definition. And boom. Wow, that's so cute. I want to get this little piece right here, which might be a little bit difficult. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so I curled a little bit of this side. So now we are going to cut our lace and then I'll comb out the rest of the curls. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting this to like actually have a decent hold for real, for real. Let's cut our lace. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of holding spritz to melt my lace. Get rid of any wet lines of demarcation. And that'll also add some extra hold. I literally do not leave home without this. Like, I love this stuff so much. Get it. You're welcome. Let's let this dry. And then we're gonna put back on a wig band and wait for it to. Alrighty, now I'm heating up my hot comb, getting ready to finish up. And I'm just gonna take my pin out of my curl right there. And we are going to comb the curls out. Always free up the bottom first so you don't mess the curl up. Again, I sprayed holding spritz on these so they would kind of last me a little bit longer. Let's just comb everything out fully. And then I'm going to hot comb and clean everything up. I'm gonna bring out my wax stick and just wax down that side part, back of the head, and then right under the bang as well, because I want that to stay up and out of my face a little bit, and then like keep it shaped too. And then get right here, because I'm gonna put this behind my ear. Comb should be hot. Let's do it. It's giving silk press, honey, period. All right, that's it, that's all. This is the full install. As y'all can see, I made some minor adjustments. I wanted this to stay behind my ear a little bit more, so I put a little pin back here to cheat, gave myself a more defined bang, I would say, and just really emphasized and went with this shape. I think this is giving romantic. I think this is super cute. I think my man's gonna love it, and it's gonna be a very happy Valentine's Day. I'm feeling it. How y'all feel? All the details for this unit will be down below in my bio, as well as all the products that I use to achieve this look. Shout out to ILIKEHAIR for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it. It eats. It eats. I literally hear the garage opening. My man is home, ready just in time. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below your thoughts on this unit. And of course, make sure you subscribe. I gotta go. Happy Valentine's Day. See y'all later.
That from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, I know that I will never be by myself.